What's up, guys? I've got a super awesome product here today. This is the Brocoon portable laptop stand. All right, so it shrinks down into this compact size. It comes in this really durable bag. Keeps it nice and safe, protects it. It's super easy to use. It's easy to operate. You don't have to mess with any screws, nothing. It's all adjustable. You can do it all on the spot. Takes no time at all. It's really sturdy, really durable. It's a great product. It's absolutely essential if you work in an office and you have a laptop, or if you're doing online school or like remote classes, stuff like that. Super awesome, super convenient. Highly recommend the Brocoon laptop stand. All right, so it opens up like that. The back end slides up like so. All right, and it's got two of those. So you lay it down, slide it to the length you want, lift up the sides, and adjust it to your preferred height. All right, so I'm gonna start out right here. You can use a tablet on it. It's got non-slip rubber pads along the bottom and all along the sides, so it's not gonna wobble. It's gonna be nice and sturdy. You can do whatever you need to do. Or you can use it for an actual laptop, all right? So I'm gonna adjust it a little bit. Set my laptop down. Open it up. You can get it to your eye level. It promotes good posture. It's better for your back. It's really easy to use. You can adjust it however much you want. It's really easy to type, search, do whatever you need to do. It's super easy to use, very convenient, all around, super awesome product. The Brocoon laptop stand, all right? It's a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend this product. Go get it today.